The Pro Control 100 brushes are a large format synthetic hair brush that are great for muralists. They're good for faux finishing. They're a multi-filament short synthetic hair that are designed to give you even, controlled brush strokes. And they're also designed to be double loaded or triple loaded, and that actually has a couple meanings depending on the type of technique that you're doing. So if you were doing more of a preloading of your brush of several colors, it can then go into one color, then another, then another. But I'm going to show you one of the other techniques of double loading a brush, which is going to be coming in here, and I'm going to take one corner and load it with this blue, and then the other into this magenta. Now the idea is to not have a gap and try to have both colors on each side with a slight blend in the middle. And I'm going to take it and just slowly pull it out here to try to get an even coating. And you can see just right here on the palette even, look how smooth and even that applies. Now I'll move it over here to some canvas, but a lot of times if you're working on murals, you'll be working on a more abrasive surface, and these bristles are very stiff for synthetic, which is really great for giving you really good control. So you can see here how I've double loaded the brush, and we're getting a slight blend in the middle. So these are the Pro Control 100 synthetic brushes, probably one of the most convenient tools a mural artist can have, but can be used for any variety of techniques.